Hey YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Carrie. Y'all should follow me. I'm just saying. But for real though. But for real though, we're gonna be reviewing. We're gonna be reviewing this makeup brush washing machine magic. So I'm about to go to my bathroom, and y'all about to follow me there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so mine came in this box. But it's like all Japanese or something, or I don't know what this is. But I got mine from Amazon, and I found it on YouTube. It was a YouTuber, and she said she got hers from eBay, but I was too worried that it'll take too long to come, like she said, so I got it from Amazon. It's just like $1 more, but I'll send y'all the link. Okay, these are my makeup brushes. I need some more, but we're gonna start with these. So apparently you gotta have soap of your own. I'm starting off with Dawn soap, cause shit, it's soap. Where's my machine at? How are you gonna leave your machine? Here's her, and I think it comes in like 2 different colors, blue and pink. Okay, please don't mind the sink. It's been through some things. So what you want to do is get this, open it. You want to get your Dawn, put it in here, or whatever soap, any soap of your choice, and then put water in it. Okay, this is gorge. And I'm gonna press this button, and look at this. This looks very awful. It's supposed to be this color. So we're gonna see if this really works. I'm gonna press this button. I'm placing it in the center. It's slowing down when I put it down there. Well, it worked a little bit. The water's brown. That's probably why. Okay, so I'm gonna pour this out. Oh, this is the little holes they have. It's so cute. You just unhook it from the side, and just it's like it's pink. Oh, and I also like to mention that it's powered by batteries, so no complications with water getting on it. Okay, this is taking too long. Make sure it still works. Okay, I just rinsed it out, all the suds and stuff, and I'm gonna do it again. I honestly feel like this should have like required a bigger battery or something, so it'd be stronger, because it cannot handle big brushes touching it like that. Just gonna twirl it around. It may work some. It did pretty good. Okay, this saved me time. Somewhat. Okay, now that I see that it can pretty much get it nearly clean all the way, I want to try a smaller brush. Okay, I'm going to use this small, sturdy brush. And then next we're going to try like a brush that's like more fluffier. Okay, see, it's stronger with the smaller brushes. So it may work. I want to let y'all know that if you put it at the bottom and just let it sit there, it's not gonna do nothing. I can just tell it ain't gonna do nothing because it's like it constantly keep just twirling. Like, look, it's no help. You can't. Yeah, you can't. But so far, this is sad. It's just so sad. I'm gonna pour out the water. Okay, we're gonna try this again. Okay, this is way better. Way better. It's just a little speck. But pretty sure ain't nothing can get out, right? Okay, so let's try another one. Okay, this one. Oh no. I want to try this one because it's like red pigmented and then it's like a little bit more fluffier. Yeah, I'm gonna try this one. And the water's still pretty clear. So let's see. Ooh. Oh my god, y'all saw the way it came in. Look the way it came out. It's kind of like a pink speck on it, but it's nothing. Ain't nothing this thing can't do, right? Okay, so that's pretty good. Yeah, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna try. Like I don't have a beauty blender, but I have a sponge, so I'm gonna bring that. Okay, we're gonna be using this kind of sponge. So what I've seen people do is just place their beauty blender inside and just leave it. Okay, that's how it looks, unfortunately. Oh, but it looks a little better. It wasn't brown right there first. Okay, so I'm gonna hold my hand on it and just see how that works. So the water brown, I'm gonna change out the water first. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so I see it works better manually. This still ain't doing much. I mean, it did a lot actually, but yeah, it didn't take a lot as it did with the brushes. Okay, I don't know a lot of people who have a makeup brush swatcher. So yeah, it's a sponge that pretty much cleans your eyeshadow off instantly, pretty much. So I'm gonna see what it does to this. Oh no, I gotta change out the water. Okay, y'all see the sponge? It's bright. It's all kind of colors. I think y'all see it. But yeah, put it in here and start my washing machine. It ain't doing nothing. Oh, it did. On the other kind of. Well, we'll just do it manually because this is not working out if you just leave it in there. Okay. It did a lot. I mean, because I could tell by the color of the water. But now, we're going to grab my fan. And it's supposed to be like, I think it's actually all white, actually. So let's see what it does. Kind of did pretty good. Yeah, it did pretty good as expected because it is a pretty small brush. Like it's very thin. So we're gonna try two. We're gonna try two makeup brushes at once, and I'm gonna be using these colors. This is a thorough video on this thing. Don't y'all love me? I'm about to pour this out. It's basically like having a fluffy big brush, pretty much, kind of. Oh, y'all get y'all one. This was red and yellow. Do you know how hard it is to get red out of white? Okay, it did pretty good. It was really the yellow one that kind of gave me issues. What is this hair from? We're gonna try one more brush, and that is my spoolie brush. Actually, can y'all see the color? I don't even know if y'all see the dirt on it. No, I don't think so. Okay, so this is gonna be the last brush. This brush is filled with foundation, and it really, I think it's really supposed to look close to this, maybe smaller. So we're gonna see what happens. Did I change up the water? Okay, so I'm about to start it. Oh, this thing turned brown fast. Do y'all see this wall? Look at this brush, y'all. Do y'all see the brush? It's not all the way clean, but oh yeah. Oh, I think this one actually, it's not exactly like this one because it has like white specks in it. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but it is black, nearly. Y'all probably can see the foundation in there, but like, this is good. Yeah, I suggest to get this. Okay, first I want y'all to get a look at this because I don't know if y'all got a good look at it. This, it's like you keep the brush where this is, and then the corner is where it drains. And then this is the, you know, the drainer. And this is the button to start the machine. This is the top to close it. My overall thoughts of this, I really like this. I suggest a lot of people get this, but you're just gonna have to be manual with it. It can't be like an automatic. You can't just sit your brush in there and expect it to do something. But I think you can, like, you may consider beauty blender. I don't have a beauty blender. I don't know, but it didn't do so good with my sponge. But it did do good with my my swiper. Like if you wanna like quickly swipe your brush of its color. But yeah, I like it. Like my brushes look like hell. They looked like this. Yeah, they look like, you know, they just after what two or one spins in the washing machine. It was a full load, but still. So yeah, I think y'all should get it, and I'm also going to be leaving the description. I'm also going to be leaving the link to where you can get it from, which is Amazon. So yeah, get y'all one. I hope y'all like my review on the machine. If y'all think I could do something much better, then let me know, because I do enjoy constructive criticism. And thank y'all for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And like, comment, and subscribe if y'all can. And bye bye. Ta ta.